10 years ago, Airbnb introduced the Host Guarantee, which offered up to $1 million in host damage protection. It protected you in the rare event a guest damaged your place or belongings during a stay. However, we heard from you that the process could be more straightforward, and that you weren't always covered for some of the unexpected day-to-day incidents that might occur. So we're thrilled to introduce AirCover. It's top-to-bottom protection for hosts that protects you for stays booked through Airbnb. It includes $1 million in host liability insurance, which supports you and even those who help you host, like co-hosts or cleaners. And $1 million in host damage protection, which also includes reimbursement for lost income if you have to cancel Airbnb bookings because of damage caused by your guests. And you ask for additional protection, so with AirCover we're giving you even more, including pet damage. If a guest's pet stains a rug or scratches a surface, you'll be covered. Even if you don't accept pets and a guest brings one anyway, you're still covered. You've also shared stories of times when your home required a deep clean after a guest checked out. So AirCover will reimburse you for everything from removing smoke odors to steam cleaning your carpets and rugs. And you told us that you sometimes don't discover guest damage until a new guest has checked in, which was too late to report it. No longer. With AirCover, you can now submit a request for reimbursement up to 14 days after that guest checks out. It doesn't even matter if your next guest has checked in. Finally, we always want to further recognize our super hosts. So we're giving you priority routing and faster reimbursements.
Damage rarely happens here at the Beach Lodge, but when it does, having 14 days to report it gives me peace of mind.
Hosts are the heart of Airbnb, and AirCover has been inspired by your feedback. It's always free and always included whenever you host. Only on Airbnb.